So today I would like to introduce an aluminum extruded plastic modular belt conveyor. And so our customers use these conveyors to transport screws and washers, and they're connected to a vibrating feeder for material input. And so these modular plastic belt conveyors are utilized for this application as they offer several advantages over traditional belt. They are waterproof, oil resistant, and more durable against scratches. And this feature ensures the safety of the transported material and extend the lifespan of the conveyor as they are less likely to suffer severe damage. And to make our conveyors more accessible, we added such as side guides, belt guards, and the hoopers. And these accessories make the conveyors easier to use and more efficient. So if you have any questions with the conveyor, please let us know.